Boasting 326 horsepower. Eat my exhaust fumes, dinosaur!
This is the new Nissan 370Z GT. A shortened, lightened, more powerful version of the old 350. Prices start at £27,000 and that makes it very cheap. Especially when you look at all the equipment it has.
I've even got something called a synchro rev match system, okay? So I'm in 4th gear, yes? Want to change down to 2nd. You hear that? It revs the engine, so the road speed is matched to the revs. Makes the change smoother. That's very simple and very clever. I like that.
As a heart starter, this thing eats the BMW for breakfast. It's got 26 more horsepower for a kick-off.
It's a lot more exciting as well, somehow. And even this GT version with leather seats and the Revomatic gearbox is £5,000 and a bit cheaper. This is a racing hen! There is just one problem with it, however. It's very nasty. It's fine here on the track, but on the road it's so hard and harsh. It's also very noisy. And it's not a nice noise either.